I want to talk to you about my favorite application on my smartphone. It's called Way of Life. It's a habit building application that allows you to list any habits you want to create and sustain. I use it for my diabetes as well as several other personal things. And you know what, folks? It really does work because I want to make it work. It doesn't take the place of the actual effort that is required to create habits, right? But I wanted to show you, I'm not endorsing per se this application. I'm endorsing the concept of using a tool to build better habits and use it for your diabetes. By now you probably know I'm type 2 diabetic, so a lot of these entries that I have in my application are diabetes related. So let's take a look. So it's broken down by week. This is a previous week where I have filled out everything. And as you can see, the date on top, it's the week of Thanksgiving here in the US. Excuse me, this is the week prior. So I wanted to start off by showing you this week because it was a very good week for me. But then I'll show you the following week. I wasn't that good. In any event, the top 5 or 6 entries here are all diabetes related. And the top one is intermittent fasting, and then followed by keto, where I do up to 30 grams of net carbs per day. Then my workouts is third. Fourth is the Conquer Diabetes blog and all the writing that I do. Right below that is the sustained physical activity, which includes things like walking, doing push-ups, going up and down the stairs, anything that will get me breathing harder and maybe even breaking a sweat. The point being that you want to burn energy. Right below that is finances. I used to be bad at that, so now I'm getting a lot better. And here are some other ones. Apple cider vinegar, followed by dinner by 5 p.m. because it's best to have dinner early. Let me scroll down. Self-improvement, not eat out. All right. Anyway, those are all the ones that are diabetes related. So let me show you what that looks like. Every day you would have this option of erasing something. Yes is the green check mark, obviously, and then no and skip. Skip means that you plan to skip that day, or you just had a legitimate reason for not doing it. How you come up with that is completely up to you. It's of personal preference. It doesn't matter to anybody else but to you. If I wanted to add a new task, this is it, or new journal as they call it, okay? And then I'm going to say test. And then you answer, is test good for you? You want to say yes. And then just click done. And done again. And that top one is now test. I will come back and delete that, but that is what's going on here. Again, the important thing here is to to obtain a tool that will help you keep track of the things you're trying to do in relation to your diabetes. And as you can see, I got other personal stuff as well. So that's what I wanted to show you. Hopefully you take me up on this suggestion and make it work for you. I can tell you that it does work because I want to make it work. And I think that's the true value in something like this. Okay, thank you for watching.